yun nga ang sabi ko everything, all the appointments that we are doing or will be doing will be merit-based. Kasi kailangan talaga, wala nang yung pabor-pabor, yung mga ganon. We have to be merit-based. There's a reason for every appointment na i-appoint natin ang tao na to because he can bring something, he is bringing something into the table. Hindi yung dahil kaibigan lang natin siya, o dahil class ganito lang siya, or dahil ganito lang dito siya nanggaling. Hindi ganon. May mga additional challenges na lumalabas dahil ito naman ay ibinigay ng ating presidente. May mga bagong direktiba which makes it imperative for us to adjust accordingly. So on the positioning ng tao, meron siguro, may mga konti, pero it's not anything na earth-shaking na parang kagila-gilalas na pagbabago. Walang ganon.